Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, natural gas price is moving in a zone of $3 to a $2 zone. Okay, so probability is high. If the price cross a level of $3, chances are high it can go further upside, and chances are very high that if the price fall below this level, then we can see it can move further low. If the price fall below $2, chances are very high it can go further low, because this level we have not seen since 2020, July of 2020. So probability of going further down is on a high side. Okay, so what you can see looking at this particular chart, there is a U pattern forming, and after that there is a downfall. So once the price sustain above a level of $2.556, chances are very high it can go further upside, and a probability it can touch a level of $2.8 and then further upside if the price sustain. Keep that in mind, that if the price goes above a level of 2.5, a probability is very high it can go further upside, and that you can keep a note of it. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high it can go towards a level of $2.569. And once the price sustain this particular zone, then yes, a probability is very high it can touch a level of $2.589. And if that level sustain, then chances are very high it can cross a level of $2.689. $2.689 is already a weak resistance, so chances are very high that it can touch a level of $2.777, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of around 2.7. After $2.7, chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can touch a level of $2.823. If the price sustain above $2.823, chances of touching 3.083 will be there, and once it sustain above this level, yes, there will be a breakout will be there. Then chances of going towards a level of 3.334 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $3.524 is there. Keep that in mind. Once the price sustain above this level, we can see a level of $3.893, and once the price sustain above that level, we can see a level of $4.114. Okay, and if the price sustain above 4.114, then chance of touching 4.35 will be there, because there is a gap still pending. But as I've already explained you, market is always uncertain. It can move sharp up, sharp fall only when there is a big event probability. Okay, but otherwise how it moves, it hold for some time, then it is how it goes. It will hold for some time, then how it moves downside. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can go further low towards a level of around $2.44, and if the price fall below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 2.313 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below 2.313 is there, then a probability is high it can touch a level of $2.262, and if the price fall below that particular zone, chances of going towards a level of 2.105 is there. $2.105 is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can go further down towards a level of around $2.040. $2.2040 is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can move further low, and a probability of touching $1.986 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of 1.812. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular zone, then a probability is that we can see it can touch a level of $1.640, and from there we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.